What's the word, OG Gangs? Your boy G Wavy 6 with another episode. What's poppin', my peoples? Shout out to the new subscribers. Shout out to my day one subscriber for the love. Shout out to my new waivers. Shout out to my beginning waivers and my elite waivers out there all around the world with community waivers. Salute. It's your boy G Wavy 6. This information I'm gonna give it to everybody in general that get waves. Talking about elite waivers, I'm talking about beginners, I'm talking about medium waivers like me. You know what I'm saying? I've been in the game I'm going to 1 year, and elite waivers, rookies, it don't matter. If you got waves, this information for you. If you wanna use it, you could use it. If you wanna give it to somebody else, share it. I'm gonna share it with you guys. I wanna make sure you guys pay attention to what I'm saying. Practice what I preach. Like I always said, practice what I preach is the best way. When you're a student, you listen to the teacher. No, I'm not saying that I'm a teacher, but right now I'm a teacher because I'm teaching you something that you probably didn't know. Shout out to RG3 for the information and all the waivers out there. My first advice that I'm gonna give you guys: when you use this product, make sure you don't OD on it, okay? Make sure you take it easy. So the first thing that I'm gonna talk about is this product right here. I know you guys are gonna be surprised, but it's already in the thumbnail, so it's not really a surprise. But right here, this product. I might sound like I'm hyping it up, but I found out a few things about this product. It's working for me amazing, and I'm gonna tell you, you know what I'm saying, while I talk. Right here, curl heads and smoothie, okay? This product right here, man, how can I say it, man? It's crazy, but I'm gonna explain it the best I can. First of all, when you buy this product, you know, a lot of people, we buy products. We humans, we buy products, and every time we buy this kind of products, we read the label, right? We read everything that's on the product, but we forget one thing, right? This product been sitting down for days, maybe weeks. You never know, you know what I'm saying? Maybe months. But it's one thing that we forget. When you get a product, right? If you buy a juice and the juice is mixed, right? Fruit punch, whatever, apple, especially apple snapple, making a sample with apple snapple. What you do when you buy an apple snapple? You hit it from the bottom, right? So the cap could pop, right? It's the same thing with this. When you buy this, all these ingredients that you got here, you see all the ingredients where they are? Boom, 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 right here. All these ingredients that you see here, right? If they did for a reason, right? To create the formula that you want to apply. So what you do? You do this. You shake it. Feel me? You shake the product. The reason why you're shaking it, because you want everything to get mixed. Nice. Like I was saying, after you shake it, right, everything is already mixed. All the products, they mix. You know what I'm saying, for a couple of seconds, not too much. The second tip that I'm gonna apply is when you're about to put it on, the product in your head, make sure you don't OD to it. You know what I'm saying? Don't put a lot. Don't put a lot. Because it's a strong product. That's how you get frizzy hair. And that's how you don't get shine in your hair. Don't put a lot. Just improvise. Try. Start with a dime. You know what I'm saying? I started with a dime. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it micro. You know what I'm saying? Small product. Just keep it small. Don't do it like pomades. Put a big chunk in your hair. Don't do it like that. This product is different. Remember, this product is to enhance your hair, to keep your hair moisturized and to give shine. It has different product mix in it. So the other one that you want to do is when you apply it, right? I'm gonna make an example, right? This is the product, right? You want to take a finger, right? Let me take my ring off. I'm gonna make an example. Okay? You're gonna start with this. If you need more in the process, you can apply more. But start with this for best results, okay? Then you wanna put it in your hands, right? I'm gonna take a little bit more. Just so we could be on the same page. Now you mix it. Remember, you got all these products standing in the shelf for a couple of days, months, weeks. Mix it until the product is white. You know what I'm saying? Really white, because you're mixing all the ingredients, they are together. Besides, when I started making a video shaking the can, you want to mix it until it's white, right? You mix it for a couple of seconds there. You see, I didn't put a lot, so it's shiny, right? So what you do, you apply it in your hair. You know what I'm saying? Distribute it in your hair however you want to do it. Let me clean my hands real quick. All right, let me dry my hair real quick. This is just information, okay? I'll probably give you a weight check at the end. But I need you guys to take this information and make it your way. After you do that, you're already applying your product, distribute it, put it in your hair, all over around. Then, what you want to do after that, you want to brush it in at least for 20-30 minutes with a medium, because you want all the products to go straight down to your roots, you know what I'm saying, to reach the scalp. So you want the product to distribute it at least 20-30 minutes, 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying, a little bit that you could be able to distribute the product in your head. Okay, the next tip that I could give you, pay attention. Make sure that when you apply, let me show you again. Make sure when you apply this product right here, make sure your hair is dry. Okay, make sure your hair is dry. You know why? Because I tried it after I did a washing style, and then, you know what I'm saying, my hair was kind of damp. It wasn't that dry yet. I took the do-rag before time, and I was just being a rookie. And you know, sometimes when you don't know, right? But I applied the Hansen smoothing thinking it was gonna work, but what it did is that made my hair curl up faster because my hair was already dry, wet, and I got frizzy hair, so it took me long. I had to brush longer to lay my hair down. You know what I'm saying? I had to put a hot towel so I could keep them down a little bit, and then brush it down again with a softie. That was the fastest way for me to get the frizzy out my head. So pay attention when you apply this product. Make sure that your hair is dry, because it's the only way it's gonna give you best results. When your hair dry, it's gonna work the best. And brush at least for 20-30 minutes. If you're doing a section, do it with the product. You know what I'm saying? If you do a section 30 minutes, 40 minutes, it's the best way. You do it with the product for best result. It's still in my hands, man. This product's really strong. Okay, after you do that, then you brush it for 20 minutes. I'm gonna give you the weight check. Let me take these off. Make sure, it got stuck. Make sure after you do that, let me keep the door right so I can show you something. Make sure after you're done with the brush section, you know what I'm saying, you apply the plastic bag and you apply the soft brush, which is this one right here. Make sure. Okay, let me show you before I go to the do-rag. I'm trying to give you the best tips that I can. Let me make an example. You see this product right here? You see what it says, right? It says cocoa. It says silk, protein, and neem oil, right? Neem oil. What it's telling you is that if you want the best shine out of this, is to combine like Shaq and Kobe, like MJ, Pippen. You got to create a combination so it could give you the best results. Besides this giving you the best result, look all these products that is already in there and everything without me telling you. You know what I'm saying? All the products they here. What's the label? Damn, freaking label at? Right there, that's the one. No, that's not the label. Right here, ingredients. You see, look all the ingredients this label has. So besides that, what you want to do, you got to do a combination. So those 3 items that you see here, right in the main picture, you want to mix this product, you want to mix this product, you want to mix this product, you want to make sure you mix it with that product. What I'm trying to tell you is that if you got neem oil in a can like this, right, drops, make sure you mix it with this. Makes sense, right? It's the same product. Only thing, this one is mixed with the cream, right? And this one is dolly, so it's by itself. So if you mix, this one has cocoa, you see? So this one has what? This one has cocoa. So it's only right that you mix both of them together to create a formula so it could be better for your hair. So you, besides getting shine from this and this, you're gonna get more shines both of them together. Get the picture? So make sure if you get this product, right, for best shine, better results, make sure you get the product from the back. Get one of these ones. Get the neem oil or silk protein or get the coconut oil. Make a combination so you could get the best results out of it. So that's the best tips that I got for you. I wanted to share this information with you guys. But you know, lately I've been making a lot of videos, you know, for my beginners, you know, brushing, doing this. This is a verbally video. This is not physical, you know, brushing. Okay, so pay attention to what I'm saying, put it to practice. If you like this product and you got this product and you don't know how to use it the right way, pay attention to what I'm saying. Watch this video, share with your friends or whoever need help with this product and get the best results out of it. This is kind of pricey, okay? I bought this in Walmart. This kind of price is like $12, $15. I forgot when I bought it because I've been with this product for a while, but I didn't know how to use it the proper way, okay? I'm human. I didn't know how to use it. I thought doing it the right way was with your hair kind of damp, or you know what I'm saying, using in dry hair and not shaking the can for the ingredients. It's things that we do that we forgot to do. So now that I know, I realized that I was wrong. I gotta correct myself and I gotta correct my subscribers, which is you, my community, you know what I'm saying, to pay attention. Okay, this is a learning lesson for me. So I'm teaching you guys how to do it the proper way so you can get the best result. You got to check your hair. I'm a medium hair, okay? I'm a straight medium hair. I'm not mixed. I'm Hispanic from both sides, so I'm pure medium hair. So make sure when you apply this, don't OD on it. Just, you know what I'm saying, start with a dime. Start with a dime, like I told you. I'm gonna give you a recap. Shake it at least for 30 seconds. If you want 1 minute. If you don't use it every day, shake at least for 1 minute because it's standing there, you know, in the cabinet drawer doing nothing. After you shake it, apply 1 dime. Make sure you rub it until it turns white. You know what I'm saying? Really white and thick. Make sure after that, put the product on it. Make sure your hair is dry, Okay, make sure your hair is dry after washing style. Make sure your hair is dry. At least go to brush section. If you're doing a brush section, do it for 30-40 minutes. I do brush section for hours sometimes, but I split the hours. 15 come back, 15-20 come back, so and so on. That's the best way, so your arms won't get tired. If you're a true waver, you know what I'm saying. When your arms get tired, that's me, you know what I'm saying, you put in that work in. And after that, the tip that I wanted to give you last, when you finish done with the plastic bag and everything that you got your do-rag, you're about to rag up, I want you to do this. This is not Febreze. This is water that I use when I do washing styles, because my other one broke. You want to have, right, since you already put the CES, which is the curl enhancing smoothie, make sure you spray your do-rag. You know what I'm saying? Just spray a couple of times from the inside. This is the outside. Make sure you spray a couple of times. What's gonna happen is your do is gonna get damp. You know what I'm saying? So when you apply it in your head, remember you put in the product, right? This is gonna keep your hair hydrated. But this one's gonna help more because this is gonna be wet and your hair is gonna suck the water from this do-rag and your hair is gonna be extra shiny. So your hair is gonna be hydrated. You know what I'm saying? Besides from the product, when you apply the water, when you put the do-rag on, your hair is gonna be hydrated. You're not gonna wet the do-rag, just damp it. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. And put the do-rag on, so your hair all day is gonna be silky, it's gonna be hydrated, because your hair needs water to be hydrated. Now, when you got a lot of dry hair, it's gonna look bad. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna look like a desert, and you don't like that. So make sure you spray the do-rag, right? Boom. And then put the do-rag on, rag on normally, whatever you do exactly every day, and just keep going with your day. That way you could take the best results out of the oil and the CES. Okay, so I hope you guys pay attention. Give it a practice, give it a try. If you like it, leave a comment below. If you don't like it, whatever feedback you have, leave it on comment below. I reply, I don't mind at all. You know what I'm saying? I'm a beginner, so I'm learning. So I hope you guys like this video. Share with your friends. Follow me in IG. Follow me in TikTok. I'm still working on my Facebook, Snapchat. I don't have any right now, so maybe later on I'll work on it. But this is my main page: YouTube, IG, and TikTok. It's your boy, Baby6. You know. I'll see you guys later. Hold up, closing the window on you guys. Peace.